Okay, today I want to show you how I did this video, or I did this connection. Now someone asked about my current video I made on how to connect OBS extended screen and have a multi-view on the screen. I think that video was amazing, and someone was asking that how it's going to be like showing a scene on the main screen like this. You can see that here. So I've shown up the output on the mega screen, let's say at your church service or any kind of program you're doing, but I have the same multi-view here on the other screen with same OBS here. How I did it: now I connected this PC to this PC, so this PC is having the output of this main PC and have the output to the mega screen of your church service, so you can monitor any kind of multi-view here, and also you can monitor whatever here and switch between them. You can see that the solo and whatever, you can see that here, and also have the mega screen of the outputs. Okay, but today I'm going to show you how to do that. Now first of all, you have to connect both PC to the internet. Okay, but I use the internet cable here. I don't want to connect the main connection of the live streaming or whatever I'm doing. I just connect the cable between the two PCs. Okay, so just put it inside your internet port, then put it inside the other PC internet port, then you're good to go. Okay, and that's very simple. Now for you to also confirm that your internet cable is connected through internet, or like through the both PC, whatever I'm trying to say, if you get me. So go ahead and click on, let's go ahead and click on this one, your internet. Okay, so just click on that, and you can see that the cable is connected perfectly here on both screen. So let me just click on this one too. You can see that, so it's undefined network, means the cable is connected perfectly. Okay, undefined network, so no internet connection. And go ahead and download Teleport for OBS. So OBS have a plugin on their platform that you can also go ahead and download it and have that feature on your OBS. Okay, so just go ahead and download Teleport. Now just install it on your PC, just double tap on it and you're good to go. For you to confirm that you have the Teleport on your OBS, just go ahead and click on Tools. So you have your Teleport here on your OBS. If you don't see your Teleport on the Tools, what you have to do is you just go ahead and restart your PC and you have your Teleport on OBS. Okay, so just click on the Teleport here. You can see that here. So click on the Teleport on both PC and take the Teleport enabled. Okay, so after taking the Teleport enabled, just go ahead and click on OK. Then do the same thing on the other PC. So just click on the tools here on the menu bar, then go to Teleport, and also now go to Teleport and also enable it on the screen. Okay, so just click on OK. For me, I've already done that, and that's what I have to do. So that's it. And you have here, let me just delete mine. So my PC, so let's see, my receiver will be the second PC, my sender will also be my main PC. So this is my main PC, this is my sender, I mean the receiver. So just go to sources and click on plus sign, go to Teleport. You have to see Teleport here. If you don't see it, restart your PC. So click on Teleport, and once your cable is connected, it will show up here from here to here. And it's very simple. So just click on OK. So refresh, you have to refresh it. Okay, so just click on refresh and click on disabled and click on this. You have to see it here, and it's very simple here. Okay, and this is also your mega screen here, so it will show up here on your mega screen. Okay, so that's it, and click on OK. Now let me size it on the screen. Okay, good. Now let me transition it here on the screen. Now boom, it's on the screen here. You can see that here. So if you are switch on the main screen, if I switch here, okay, so let me switch the microphone on the screen, and it's boom, it's here. So switch, let me switch my solo, okay, so it's here, it's boom. If your PC is fast, and it will also switch fast from the internet through the second PC and your mega screen, okay. So there won't be any delay of your live streaming, okay. That's it. Or there won't be a bit delay of your display of your church service, okay. So that's it, and it's very simple for you to do this, and this is very simple. I've done this thing and I think it's very helpful on this tutorial, okay. So you can see that, so use teleport and connect them using the internet cable and have the PC connected and have the mega screen of your church service, okay. So show up the birthday, show up everything, microphone, show up the, I think you can see that here, and your multi-view is active. Whatever is working here is also working here, okay. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. I think the next video is going to be on vMix, how to use vMix to do the same method here on vMix.
And every stream carries the echo of heaven's dream.